how to install Ansible in Fedora 36. Today we are going to talk about the easier way to install and maintain up-to-date Ansible inside Fedora 36 using the default repository in the system. I'm Luca Berton and welcome in today's episode of Ansible Pilot. Today we are talking about how to install Ansible in Fedora 36. The good news is that Ansible is included in the default repository, so you could install it simply with your usual DNF package manager. You could expect the latest version of Ansible in the updates repository. Demo time. Are you ready to make your hand dirty? Let's jump in a quick live demo about how to install the latest version of Ansible in Fedora. Let's get fun! Welcome to my terminal. First of all, let me connect to my demo machine via SSH username, in my case DevOps at fedora.example.com. This is a freshly installed machine. As you can see, I need to accept SSH key. Let me switch to root user because I need system admin privilege to install any packages on the system. First of all, let's verify that it's Fedora 36 having a cat of etc red hat-release. Yes, it's 36. Another way is to use a hostname control. As you can see, is still Fedora 36 with kernel version 5.17. Cool. Another way is to check it out /etc/os release. This is a common Linux file for all the type of distribution. DNF is the package manager, and we can list the available Ansible with DNF list available Ansible. It's taking just a minute to refresh the package repository metadata. As you can see, I'm using a x86 64-bit of Fedora 36 and is downloading the content right here right now. So the result will be up to date. Just a second and we are expecting the list of available packages for Ansible. This is the system repository and update repository, and in a blink of an eye we are getting also an update of secondary repository and modular and updates as well. Okay, cool. The first repository was the system and now was updated the updates. As you can see, it's going to take just a moment. It depends by the speed of your connection. And boom, we have the update repository returning Ansible version 5.7.0. Let me check it out also. Ansible-core. This is a stripped version with only the Ansible built-in module. That is 2.12. Cool, great. So another common way to check it out if a package is installed is to use rpm-qe that return no Ansible at the moment. So Ansible is definitely not installed on the system. Let me also check it out with ansible-version command. Command not found. So let's install together. DNF install Ansible. The total download is 36 MB and install size 328. As you can see, DNF is taking care of all the necessary required library. These are all Python free, and especially there is a Paramiko, which is the SSH and other interesting. WinRM is to interact with Windows machine. More or less, these are all what we need to parse it, to use the authentication or use some parsing of file. So as you can see, it's downloading either Ansible 5.7 as well as Ansible-core. So we are going to have a foundation and all the necessary, the most common collection installed. And now it's completed. it looks like everything is installed. Let me double check the result of DNF list available Ansible and ansible-core. Now the package list is empty. To check it out if it's currently installed, we need to use the command dnf list installed ansible, and this time is returning a result that is highlighted in red, which means the package is successfully installed. Check it out rpm-qe, this time return ansible-core and ansible 5.7. Cool. Last verification is to use ansible - version. Cool, everything is currently configured and ready to be used. Yay! Great job, Fedora! If you want to check it out, the difference between ansible-core and ansible community package, don't miss it out the other lesson. Great, let's move on our automation journey. Now you know how to install the latest version of Ansible in Fedora using the system repository. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy this video, don't miss it out the next lesson. Every day I'm teaching how to automate more and more things inside your system. Have a great day. See ya. Cheers. This video is part of our Ansible automation program. Sign up today on www.ansiblepilot.com for uninterrupted exclusive video and so much fun.